Welcome back. You're watching Business Morning on Channel's television. Closing moments now on the program. Let's take a look at what's going on downtown Customs Street. That's where the Nigerian stock market is. Let's talk to Rotimi Fakaijo, who is a trader and Chief Executive Officer of Enterprise Stockbrokers, to get a sense of how the market is shaping up as we're counting down to the long weekend for the Easter. A good morning to you, Rotimi. Well, Rotimi, give us a sense of what's actually of how the market is actually looking like. Well, we seem to have lost connection there with Rotimi. We'll try to reconnect with him to get a sense of where the market is as at pre-open. Of course, yesterday the market closed negative as there was sell-offs across all counters, not unconnected to the fact that the holidays are drawing closer. And the oil and gas stock dropped about 2.58%, which was the largest sell-off, or largest drop for any index recorded at the market on Tuesday. But we've been able to reconnect with Rotimi. Thank you so much for joining us again on the program this morning. Just give us a sense of where the market is at the moment. Is it still looking largely bearish, coming in from yesterday's sentiments from investors?
Well, it seems better than what it was yesterday. The market is trading flat at this time. In fact, 0.00%. That is the percent of the market, and we traded 66 million shares for a value of 466 million naira. We aren't having much of any gain or user at this point in time, except for Wando, except for hello.
Yes, I can hear you, Rotimi. Go ahead.
We aren't having much of a gain at this morning, except for a few securities that are just gaining sparingly, and that is not having enough effect to actually affect a change in the OSHA index.
Well, I'm particularly interested in how the consumer goods stocks are looking like this morning, especially as we're coming into Easter. Yes, most of these companies have turned in their full year results for 2016, and the market is expecting the first quarter. But how are they looking like as this morning? Are investors really quite excited? What's the trend you're noticing around them?
Well, it's still very early to reach a conclusion, but presently the consumer goods index is at 0.29% negative. But it may likely look better than what it is by the close of business today. So,
which likely trends are you expecting to see the market start off, and if any, today? Because we're counting down to the holidays. The markets will be closed on Friday and on Monday. But taking a look at the numbers, as it were, do you think that there's going to be any likely trends starting out today?
Yes, it may. And what that may be is a situation whereby the market may just be up by a very small percentage. I don't really see it coming down today because some of the securities are actually trading at their base as of now. I expect a turnaround, especially for the consumer goods sector.
All right, Rotimi, let's leave the conversation here. Thank you so much for joining me on the program and giving us a sense of where the market is. Rotimi Fakaijo is an equities trader with the Nigerian Stock Exchange and the CEO of Enterprise Stockbrokers. They're giving us a look at pre-open market sentiments, counting down to the holidays. And of course, another story that we've got on our radar is the March inflation numbers that are expected to be released by the National Bureau of Statistics on Thursday. That's tomorrow. And most analysts are expecting to see a reduction in headline inflation. But our key focus, of course, will be on the food and core inflation. We've got our eye on those numbers as well. But that's it on Business Morning for today. Many thanks for staying with us. I'm Harriet Agbini. Have a profitable day.